Hi everybody. I was going to talk about Wings at the Speed of Sound on my main channel, and then I thought, no, I'll do it on this channel and I'll take a bit more time. So I have a new appreciation for this album just recently. Usually when I buy the Mccartney archive editions, either the box sets or the 2 or 3 CD collections, I usually, partially because they're remastered and they usually sound better, but especially like Red Rose Speedway, I'm a huge fan of that album now. I never really appreciated it before. But like I said, just in the last month or so, I've been playing this a few times, and I'm starting to think it's a much better album than I give it credit for. Is it one of McCartney's best? No, but I think it's, it gets some negativity, especially the cover, which isn't one of the best either. I have, for box sets, I have the first one, Mccartney, which I guess is selling, I was just checking, it's selling for like $400 or $500 now, and that's American prices. So I'm glad I got that one. I kind of regret not getting Band on the Run, the box set, when that came out. But I do have the deluxe version with the 2 CDs and the DVD, so I'm happy with that. And of course Ram is my favorite Paul McCartney album, and it's my favorite of the McCartney Archive Collection box sets. And Red Rose Speedway, that box set is awesome. Tug of War, still not one of my favorite McCartney albums, but I have that. And McCartney 2, which once again it grew in stature when it was released in the archive editions. So let's talk and show you this box set. The one thing about some of these is they start to warp. This one is warping a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it, but you can you can certainly feel it. And but all of these box sets McCartney does are really well done. Maybe the only thing is it's kind of changed throughout the years, the format, and some box sets are not as large as some other ones. Ram is, like I said, besides being the best album of the ones I have, it's the best box set. But all of these, come with really nice pictures. And I will talk about the album. I just thought I would show you once more this box set. And it was, kind of, you can either say it was foolish or it was kind of brave of Paul back at this time, when Wings were really popular with Band on the Run on Venus and Mars, for him to let other band members sing. Even the drummer, Joe English, sings on a track. And there he is, Joe English. yeah, some really nice band shots. Yeah, I think that would have, this idea here would have been better for the album cover, I think. Then it comes with little trinkets like that. And then it has these with papers in them. With it's really cool though. Beware my love, the handwritten lyrics. And some of them, you know, feature doodles, and there's Let 'Em In. Yeah, I remember, you know, when I first heard like Silly Love Songs and Let 'Em In, at that time I was kind of starting to be turned off a bit by Paul McCartney, and you know, it's like, oh, more of these cheesy songs. But you know, through the years, definitely Silly Love Songs has, I think, really, even though it was a big hit back in the day, I think it's really grown in stature over the years, because he's basically telling his critics, and maybe even John Lennon, that there's nothing wrong with silly love songs. And I mean, John used to write love songs about Yoko, and you know, and just straight love songs. But he definitely, you know, the one thing I guess through the 70s and beyond, I think it would have been nice if he had a few more rockers like Junior's Farm and Hi Hi Hi. There is one great rocker on this one, of course, that we'll get to. And then, very glossy photo. Yeah, with I've told some of these stories before. With Red Rose Speedway, when it came out, I didn't buy the box set. I just bought the deluxe, the smaller deluxe version, which had, I think, 2 CDs, or maybe 2 CDs and a DVD or something. But listening to that, and I hadn't really taken the time to really, truly listen to it, because I was just turned off by even the song titles, like Little Lamb Dragonfly. But it is one of Paul's greatest songs. And so soon after that, you know, a few months later, I said, I'm going to get that box set. So yeah, really nice. And there's still a few pages to go. Almost looks like his Sgt. Pepper era there. And it has a poster. Maybe more than one poster. I turned the air conditioning down and I'm sweating. And this one comes there's one more band shot here. Thumbnail maybe. And this comes with the remastered album. Maybe that'll be the thumbnail. bonus film. These are usually, you know, not that long, with promo videos and everything, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then bonus audio. So just going through these songs, Let 'Em In is, I've always loved it. I always, you know, like I said, when it came out, it was like, oh, a bit embarrassing with the lyrics, I guess. Someone's knocking on the door, someone's ringing the bell. But it's so catchy and it's so good. Great melody in it. And then The Note You Never Wrote, that is sung by Denny Laine, written by Paul McCartney. Really, really nice song. Then She's My Baby is excellent. Beware My Love is the rocker, that, you know, like kind of similar to Hi 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 and Junior's Farm, and later on Mama, Only Mama Knows. Wino Junko kind of gets put down. I've read where they think it's kind of a repeat of Jimmy McCulloch's Medicine Jar. And maybe it is, but I still feel it's a really nice, catchy song. I really love it. And then Silly Love Song. It's a classic with Paul's bass and the message too. And just so catchy. Cook of the House, which is probably, if you're going to have a worst song on the album, it is the worst, but I still find it's a cute song. It's very homey. Linda loves cooking in the kitchen, so they wrote a short little ditty about it. What's wrong with that? And what's wrong with Silly Love Songs? Time to Hide by Denny Laine, excellent. Must Do Something About It, the vocals by Joe English. He is a great singer. And later on he left Paul McCartney, and, you know, he got, I'm not saying he got religion, he probably always had it, but he was feeling like the rock environment wasn't suitable for him, and so, you know, he left, and he's released religious albums, and he has a really nice voice. And then the final two songs, Sand Fairy Ann is really nice, and Warm and Beautiful is one of those songs that, you know, back in the day was kind of forgettable. It's like, oh, it's Paul with one of these other lame love songs. But it is very underrated, and it's a really nice way to end the album. So overall, like I said, it's not Paul's greatest, but it's grown in stature for me. And I would just love your thoughts on Wings at the Speed of Sound. I would give it it is really good. I would give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of Wings at the Speed of Sound. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.